Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Figma components not updating issues in 2026. If your components are not reflecting changes, variants are out of sync, or updates are not applying across your designs, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, make sure you are editing the main component, not an instance. Changes only update globally when you modify the main component. Next, check if your component is detached. Detached instances will not receive updates from the main component. Now refresh your Figma file or restart the application. Sometimes updates don't sync properly due to temporary glitches. Next, ensure that your internet connection is stable. Figma relies on real-time syncing for component updates. Now check whether you are working inside a different library file. If so, make sure the library is published and updated correctly. Next, click the Assets panel and manually publish or update the library if prompted. Unpublished changes will not reflect in other files. Now try detaching and reapplying the component to force a fresh connection to the updated master component. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies if you're using Figma in a browser. Old cache data can sometimes block updates. Now update your Figma desktop or web version to the latest release for better sync performance. Finally, duplicate the file and test the components again to rule out file-specific sync issues. And that's it, you've successfully fixed Figma components not updating issues. Your components should now sync and update correctly across all designs. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.